Welcome to this restful sleep practice. You'll be guided to unwind and relax so you can fall into a deep sleep. Before we begin, make sure to download a free audio with one of my best restful sleep practices. You can get the deep rest you need and deserve anytime, anywhere. The free download also includes a practice to feel good, light, and focused in the morning, and another practice that you can use during the day to relieve stress and feel better fast. They are the 3 key practices that I use to feel better in just minutes. They are short and sweet. I made them with lots of love for you. Head over to the link below and get your free download. Now, let's get started. Welcome to Restful Sleep, an invitation to relax and peacefully end your day. Tonight, we'll be practicing Yoga Nidra to relax the body, calm the mind, and come into a deep, restorative, and restful state. Lay on your back in your bed to make sure you're fully comfortable. You may place a soft pillow under your head and a pillow under your knees to relieve any strain on the lower back. Place a blanket or sheet on top of you so you're nice and warm and comfy. Make any small adjustments you need to get fully comfortable. Bring your arms alongside your body, palms facing up. Your feet drop to the sides. Arms and legs lay softly on the bed. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Continue to breathe deeply, following the breath as it flows in and out, so effortlessly. On your next exhale, begin to let go. On the next breath in, imagine calmness spreading through the body. On the next breath out, imagine all tension washing away from the body. Breathe in calmness. Exhale, allow worries to wash away from the mind. Breathing in calmness all the way to the crown of your head. Breathing out deep relaxation, rolling down your body all the way to your toes. Allow each breath to flow through you like a wave of relaxation. Now it's time to state your sankalpa, your intention. And the invitation tonight is, I relax and restore for a restful night's sleep. I relax and restore for a restful night's sleep. I relax and restore for a restful night's sleep. Now I'll guide you through a relaxing journey through the different parts of your body. Bring your awareness to each part of the body as I state them. No need to move. Just bring your full attention to each part and focus on the sensations that come up. Bring your awareness to your right hand. Now draw your awareness to your right hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, palm of your right hand, back of the hand. Feel your whole right hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, right side of the body, waist, right hip, right thigh, knee, lower leg, ankle, heel, sole of the right foot, top of the right foot, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Awareness of your entire right foot. Bring your awareness to the whole right side of the body. And become aware of your left hand, left hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, palm of your left hand, back of the hand. Feel your whole left hand, left wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, left shoulder, armpit, left side of the body, waist, left hip, left thigh, knee, lower leg, left ankle, heel, sole of the left foot, top of the left foot, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Feel your whole left foot. Bring your awareness to the whole left side of the body. Moving on to the back of your body, become aware of the back of your head, right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, mid back, lower back, the whole of your spine and back together. Right glutes, left glutes, back of your right leg, back of your left leg, right heel, left heel, right foot, left foot, both feet together. Move to the front of your body, right top of your foot, left top of your foot, top of your right leg, top of your left leg, both legs together. Right hip, left hip, pelvis, pelvic floor, lower abdomen, upper abdomen, middle of the chest, right side of the chest, left side of the chest, right shoulder, left shoulder, both shoulders, neck, throat, chin, lower lip, upper lip, sensations inside your mouth, your teeth, your gums, your tongue, right cheek, left cheek, right ear, left ear, right nostril, left nostril, tip of your nose, right eye, eyelid, left eye, eyelid, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, eyebrow center point, right temple, left temple, forehead, top of your head, bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the air gently coming in and out of your nose. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest, rib cage and abdomen. With each slow breath, feel the calming energy of the breath flow through you. Notice your whole body resting on the bed. May you sleep soundly and peacefully. Thank you for sharing this practice with me. From my heart to yours, Namaste.